So here's what I'm looking at. See up here, you got these wires up here. The biggest thing is I'm going to be putting the computer back here on the firewall. And the Camaros had computers up front. So I got to slice this whole wiring harness, take all this off, and then all this up in the front here is got to flip over to the back so I can get to it. So first I got to take it all apart, take all the casing off. There's a couple of pieces I'm not putting back on because they're not going back in. I'll have to take those out. But the biggest thing is putting all these connectors back there and extending the wires that have to go back and moving them around. So the mess is about to start. Okay, tools of the trade to take it apart: razor blade, scissors,